Hey folks, it's Street Auto Plaza located in Mount Carmel, Illinois. Today we're reviewing a really low mileage 2013 Ford Expedition EL. It is an Xlt with a 4x4, 5.4 liter V8, automatic 6-speed transmission, 97,000 miles. That's right, 97,000 actual miles in this unit. We're going to take you on a virtual tour, show you all imperfections, and go to the inside, press all electronics, and let you know everything we can about this vehicle. Starting with the front end, both headlights in excellent condition. Not really much to say at the front end here. A few little rock chips. This thing was definitely well taken care of. A little rock chip there. Up here on the hood, there's a little big one here, little one there, a very minor one there, and a couple up here. Really good shape. There is a little ding. I don't know if you guys can see it right there, and it's very small. I can barely feel it with my finger. We're gonna go down the driver's side first, starting with this front fender. Nothing to note there. Tires are Continental tires, and basically brand new tires in this thing. If they have 5,000 miles, I would be surprised. So really good tires. Some dilapidation on the clear coat on the rim there. Driver's front door, I don't see anything to note on it. Do have some scratches, light ones up in here, probably getting in and out of the vehicle. Passenger rear door, is a little light fingernail scratch there. Very clean. Usually those rockers are rotted out and they're not. Quarter panel, nothing really to note there at all. Rear bumper cover starting down here. We do have, looks like they may have bumped into something right back in here. We do have a scratch on this back side and light little scratches in here. We do have a tow package. Back here, the rear gate, usually these anodize in some places. Yeah, right up in here next to this thing. So it is starting just a little bit here on that side and that side. They usually start down here too. There's a little piece there. I mean, so it's started, but just started. So for the age of this thing, yeah, really good shape. Really good shape. And it drives out great too. All right, going to the passenger side, rear bumper cover, don't see anything to note there. Rear quarter up here, we do have a ding right here. Not seeing anything else in the, I forgot to show you the other rear tire, but all of them are the same, matching all the way around. This rim's in pretty decent shape. It does have some brake dust accumulated in it. Passenger rear door, we do have a little ding right here. We do have a little, I guess, rock chip, or what do you want to call it, right there and there. Passenger front door, not really seeing anything there. And along the front fender, not seeing anything there either. Again, it does have basically brand new tires on this thing, and some dilapidation, this clear cut right here. Other than that, really good condition. Right, passenger front door skin, it's in excellent condition, nothing to note there. The interior of this thing's in excellent condition all the way around. Almost new looking seat, power, everything works as it should. Extremely clean in here, no odors. We have books, your dash is intact. Headliner clean and intact. Really clean look, really, like I said, clean unit. Passenger rear door skin, good condition. Child-proof lock located here, just flip that up if you need that. It has the full second row, so it doesn't have the center console or center out. You just press these once, over, and again, get in your third row. That's a power folding third row. Again, very clean in here. We got the center console. We'll start the vehicle up and I'll show you everything as rear DVDs and everything does work. Power rear deck lid. So the two TVs up there, that comes with the original. If you don't want the TVs in there, you can take them out, you can put those back in, etc. I just have this thing folded up because I didn't have anywhere to store these things. So this thing folds down, it goes right in this area if you wanted to, or you can take it and it can go like this. So love the Ford stuff. So you got your jack, it looks like it's brand new, your spare tire underneath, close here, and then it's your power folds. And they function as they should. I'm not gonna go all the way down, but everything functions as it should. Like I said, guys, really clean in here, no odors. So moving on to the driver's side, childproof lock located here. Just flip that thing up, you got childproof locks. Again, if you want to get in the back, just press that once, folds, and then one more time and it folds up. And driver's front door skin, nothing to note, excellent condition. Driver's front seat does have a little tear right here, but usually the bolsters are really bad shape. This one's really firm. A little cracking in this side part, but really good condition, really clean. The leather's soft, so all power functions work. Very clean unit. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start this thing up. There's your RPMs there. Right now we got 97,950 on the miles. It's 97,950 on the miles. Just turn this down so you can hear me. All right, we're gonna do a quick rev test. There's your RPMs. You can see the throttle response is where it should be. Took it on a test drive. I don't have anything to report. Braking, suspension, all that passed. Really nice unit. We're gonna go through all your electronics first. Cruise control here, obviously, it works as it should. So everything worked there. Let's see, your lights over here. Let's turn those automatic, leave those there. All your windows, let's go through those real quick. It just got serviced, so 3,000 miles is what I put on it. All right, all windows are functioning. Let's go through your mirrors real quick. Good to go. And good to go both sides. Both lights and your vents. That's your back windows. I don't know if you can see them moving. Those back two windows. So both those function. That's right here. Moving on, here's your foot pedals. I don't know if you guys can see through here. I don't know if you guys can see them moving, but they move. 4-wheel drive, just had that engaged a second ago, went right in. Stereo. Sounds really good. I think it has, yeah, volume here. All that functions, all your phone, etc. Dual climate control, of course. AC seats on both sides. Let them run for a minute, make sure they actually do function. You can hear the fans and the seats turn on, and I can actually feel them. It's got ice cold AC too. Heated seats, both function. Info, let's see, rear. Let's turn that on. It's on high. Let's turn that all the way on. So you can turn that on up here, or you can go to the back and they can have control either way. I've turned it on up here. Let's turn it on back there. Let's see, rear. How do you do that? I think that's, I don't know how you do that, honestly. It's got a tow package on it. Here's your trailer brake control, trailer assist. You can see trailer is disconnected. You got the Microsoft Sync system. This goes to your TVs right here, I believe, and it's a USB port. You have a remote down there, I'm guessing, to the TVs. I think I've hit everything up here. Oh, backup camera. Backup camera's up here. Let's go to the back. We'll go through those functions at least. Alright, you can see both of them come on, and actually have really good screen quality too. Looks like we got a movie in here, loading over here, all that functions. Here's the headphones. You got your station here. You can control your fan stages, which I'm controlling up there at this point. Hot, cold, all that works. You got a 110 back here, a 12 volt back here. Like I said, really nice quality on these. I don't know what movies that we're watching here, but I guess they're gonna come with a. No, this is a pretty good movie. Anyway, everything works. Cold AC coming out of here. Really nice unit. It won't last very long. It's your 5.4 liter. Like I said, guys, it passed the driving test. Really nice unit. It's really nice, actually. Let's do a recap on this thing. It's a 2013 Ford Expedition EL. It's an XLT with a 4x4, 5.4 liter V8, automatic 6-speed transmission, and 97,000 miles. You got any more questions for me? Give me a call at 618-450-2600, or you can get us on the web where you can see that CARFAX of this vehicle and the video at nightstreetautoplaza.com. Again, that's nightstreetautoplaza.com. I hope this helped your buying experience. You guys have a wonderful day.